I just went and got some of that in and out. You know how it is. You know how we're doing it. I'm in Dallas, Texas right now. Down here for a shoot. I don't be too loud. I'm still asleep. 3 in the afternoon, we still asleep. Fuck it.
Bro. What's going on, dude?
Oh, start this shit.
Damn. Where we at right now, bro?
Start this shit.
Where we at, bro?
No, Jimmy.
Yes. You know what goes on when Jimmy Lamb is in the building.
Damn, the porno about to start now.
The porno. Bang Bros. All right, man, enough of the bullshit. I just pulled up to my buddy's body shop. Look, here he come right here. Look, oh, there he is. Look, there he is right there. Oh, that's the man right there. That's the man right there I've been telling you guys about, man. He's about to fix the dent right now. It's a little overexposed. Yeah, give it a sec.
You like your shirt, bro. You looking good today, bro.
Man, thank you. Hey, y'all, peep the drip. Flamingos, ready to mingo.
Drippy.
Yeah. What's up, dude?
What's up, bro?
Did you hear me pull up or something?
Yeah.
Oh, loud ricey.
Yeah. I can smell the vape smoke.
Oh yeah. That's how you know, boys. If you driving around town and then they don't smell that vape smoke, man, you're doing it wrong, man. You're doing it wrong. But anyways, back to the story. I want to show you guys real fast the dent. The reason why I showed you guys a little preview of Dallas was because that's where my car was hit. And now that we're back in Wichita, my hometown, my buddy Braxton right here, we're about to go back. I'm about to show you guys the dent, man. Come on, let's go. I'm gonna show them the dent, man. Oh my God. You guys see this? Oh, dude. What do you think, Braxton?
It's nasty, bro.
What do you think about it, man? So what can we do?
Pop off your bumper on this side just so we can pull it out a little bit. Take the heat gun and heat up just the general area right here. Take our hand behind it and just kind of work its way out. It's not creased up anywhere, so we'll be able to pop it back out to its normal structure. Wet sand all the scratches out, minus the black right here. That's gonna need repainted or touched up, whatever you like. But all these scratches can be removed. A whole bunch of haters.
Haters, dude.
Yeah.
They're hating. And I don't even know who hit me either. I didn't even know when it happened or when it occurred or anything. I just got out my car and grabbed my camera and I seen it. And I was like, wow, dude. I was pissed. I was super pissed.
That's Texas for you.
Yeah, dude. They didn't even tell me nothing. Just hit and run. But good thing I got my buddy Braxton right here. You know what I'm saying? Owner of Glassworks. If anybody in the Wichita area needs some work done, I'm about to show you guys before and after, man. We're gonna make this thing shine again. We're gonna get the vapor back into vaping.
Oh yeah.
All right, man, I'm about to pull up.
What do you think, Tank?
tell us what just happened, dude.
Just pop that motherfucker out, bro.
Schwam.
Yeah.
My man, dude.
Hater repellent, bro.
Hater repellent. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Braxton doing his thing right now, guys. I'm sitting here being useless and just filming. We're gonna heat her right back up and try and get rid of the 3 residual dents that still remain.
Because paint's not flexible, so but once if it does flex with the plastic, it creates like a wavy like appearance. You know, like that dent is still there. You can kind of see the waves. Yeah. Right here, you can still see one a little bit right here. Just a little bit. It's not too bad though.
So Braxton heated up the bumper, popped it out as best he could. Now he was grabbing the wet sand. He's about to start wet sanding it down, try to get the white scratches out, trying to get it back looking normal as best as possible. And then I'm gonna come swing back over another day. He's gonna sand out the paint, and then we're gonna paint it. See those black chips, man? That's from the flame coming out of my exhaust, man. That wasn't from the dent. That wasn't from the scratches, man.
Yeah,
that's all that.
know.
That's vape juice condensation, man. That shit's fucking deadly, dude.
You marked the territory. So,
oh my God. Braxton just got done with the rubbing compound. Scratches are completely removed. Only thing left is paint chips. Oh man. It was phenomenal, dude. It's like it never happened.
look,
Tank over there flipping out. What's up, dude? What's going on, buddy?
Camera shot, boy.
Wow.
Cut it all the way. Yup. You're good. Yup. Ain't nothing like that ain't a thing when you fall there. Protects it from chipping again for the time being until you paint it.
Boom. This is finishing touches, boys. Until we get it painted. My buddy Braxton, man, he popped the bumper out, or popped the dent out. Got all the paint touched up just for now, momentarily. A little temporary repair.
Yep.
That's what we're gonna call it, man. Thank you, my man.
You're welcome.
This is my buddy. What's wrong with your car, dude?
Man,
Shit's fucked up with your car?
Man. My fender.
Oh, snap. This the new wheels?
Yeah.
Damn! You like it?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Look at that, bro.
It's on a little hill right now, so that's not the tip.
You raised it up. It looks higher.
But look at this side. It's the hill that you're on. But I'm on that hill right now.
Okay.
This fender.
What happened to your fender? It rolled back?
Well, it was damaged prior. Previous owner, it was a dent here, so the fender laid down a little bit, I was reversing out of my friend's apartment and it kind of caught the tread and folded it all the way in.
Oh.
And I was driving, I didn't realize it until like a quarter mile and it burnt all of it in. It was sitting inside the tire. I ordered a new fender, already OEM color match, same color.
Hell yeah.
There's a factory fender, so that'll be in on Monday. Put that on, get it re-rolled. It'll be Gucci.
Gucci. Wow. Oh man. What? Oh, dude, his son is riding in style, man. You got the aux port in here with the USB. Oh, look at the steering wheel, AMG steering wheel. Wow, 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 wow. Look at the keys in this back. Oh, my bad. Oh, stick shift. Okay.
Since he's too young to drive it right now, you ever been to the mall and you throw your, you see the parents throw the kids on a pony, little 50 cent, and it just goes in a little circle type, they're up and down.
Oh, hold on. Oh my God.
So I just bought the car and it was like 3 inches higher, and I took all the suspension and everything off and had to cut some of the plastic to make it a little bit lower, but this is about the lowest I could get it to go all around. But I mean, it's a pretty good drop.
Yeah, that shit's nice, bro.
I got the little stretch tires going on, painted the wheels.
Yeah, look at the stretch.
I'm about
to I want to say thank you to Braxton for the temporary repair. We're gonna swing back to his shop on another time, wet sand and repaint the bumper. All I need to do is buy the paint, and then my buddy's gonna hook me up, man. We'll be good to go, man. But for now, thank you, brother. I'm about to head home and edit this video. I'll snap you some snippets.
Yeah.
You'll like them, bro. You'll like them.
Yeah.
All right, bro.